Let me know if this sounds familiar. Your business is growing, you've got a VA, maybe even a small team, and yet nothing or everything still runs through you. Nothing runs without you. The content doesn't go out unless you check it. Clients ask you questions your team can't answer. You're still the final stop for everything. And that's not freedom, that's founder fatigue. And I know exactly what that feels like. Years ago, I hit a wall. I had tools, I had help, I had a huge team, but I was waking up to fires, juggling Slack messages, rewriting emails, and thinking, why am I the only one who knows what to do in this business? I had built a team, but I hadn't built the right systems. Worse, I was still trying to delegate tasks that didn't even have a defined process. So I created the same kind of bottleneck for my team that I was trying to escape. That's when I stopped trying to delegate chaos and started designing for clarity. But here's the truth that most people won't tell you. Hiring doesn't fix broken execution. If the system is unclear, if your workflow lives in your brain, if there's no standard for what good looks like, then it doesn't matter how many people you hire, they still need you. And that's why the first thing we do in my AI Business Teams program isn't automation, it's diagnosis. We figure out exactly where execution is leaking time, energy, and revenue. Then we rebuild the system with AI that supports your team instead of replacing it. One of my clients, let's call her Lisa. She came in with a team of 3. She was still managing daily check-ins, editing content herself, and stuck around a certain level of income. We audited her workflows, rebuilt her content and delivery systems, and inserted AI at key points where her team needed support: writing, routing, reporting. And in 30 days, her team ran the content engine without her. Client delivery improved, and Lisa went from burnout to having her evenings back without hiring anyone new on her team. If you're still doing everything yourself, it's not because you're bad at delegating. It's because the system is broken. You don't need a bigger team. You need systems that guide the execution and the AI that supports your team at every single step. And if that's what you want, let's map it together. Book a free call, link right below, and I'll show you exactly how and where execution is leaking and how we rebuild your business to run without everything going through you. Click the link and let's give you your time back.